In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Jira Atlassian 2026, step by step. To get started, open Jira software in your browser and sign in with your Atlassian account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Jira workspace, where you can access all of your boards, tasks, and projects. If you're new to Jira, don't worry. The process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly. From the top navigation bar, click on Projects, then choose Create Project. This is where Jira begins guiding you through the setup process. Next, you'll need to choose a project template. Jira offers several common templates, including Kanban, Scrum, task tracking, and bug tracking. Each template is designed for a different style of work. For example, Kanban is useful for continuous workflows, while Scrum is better for teams working in sprints. Task tracking is great for general organization, and bug tracking is ideal if you're managing issues and fixes. Select the one that best fits your team's workflow. Then click Use Template or Next. After that, choose the project type. You'll usually see two options: Team managed and company managed. Team managed projects are better if your team wants more independence and flexibility in managing settings. Company managed projects are more suitable when your organization wants standardized workflows and centralized control. Pick the option that matches how your team operates. Now enter the project details. Type in a project name and then review the project key. The project key is the short identifier Jira uses for issues in that project, so it's worth checking that it makes sense. If Jira asks for a project lead, select the appropriate person. Once those details are in place, click Create Project. Jira will generate the project for you and open the main project page. At this stage, you can customize the project to match your team's needs. This may include adjusting issue types, workflows, permissions, notifications, and board settings. These options help shape how the project functions, so it's a good idea to review them early. When you're ready, invite your team members. Open Project Settings or the People section, then click Add People. From there, add teammates by entering their email addresses or selecting existing users in Jira. Make sure to assign the right roles and permissions so everyone has the access they need. Finally, start adding work. Click Create to add your first issue. Depending on your setup, this could be a task, story, bug, or epic. As your project grows, you can organize everything using the board or backlog to keep work visible and manageable. And that's how to create a new project in Jira Atlassian.